Hey you, what's up everyone guys, my name is Sherry and welcome back to my channel. And guys, I'm back with another video, and the video topic is how to transform your any Android device to a spy cam. So guys, it is a very helpful video, please watch till the end. So guys, you need one app called Alfred. The link will be provided in description. Just you have to skip the all process, and after skipping we have first of all you need two phones, and just click on start, and the phone which has a good camera selected as a camera, and the other one selected as viewer. Now you have to log in with the same IDs on the both Android devices. Now I'm gonna sign in. It comes like this. In the camera version you need to give some permissions, and in the other the event will come that relocate. So guys, the picture displayed in your camera will be displayed in your viewer media. So you can see here, I'll show you the viewer's view, and I'll move the camera, and you will got to know. Without recording, I am seeing it live. Just you have to connect that phone of the viewer phone with an Wi-Fi, and you can see it anytime and always. So guys, this is a very helpful app. You can see it's real, it's not fake. You can see here. You can also make it as a spy cam. What you can do is just place it at a at your home, at any secret place, so that no one will understand that why it is stored like this. So guys, it is a very helpful app. You can download it. I will be providing you a link in the description. So guys, I think you should download it, and these have many options, like you can rotate your phone camera to rear to front camera, just like this. Now the rear camera has converted into front camera like this. Okay, it's showing the rear one. So when I turn it to front camera, you can see. Now I'll turn it back to rear camera. Now by this mode you can also enable the flashlight, just like this. Just you have to click the flashlight option, and the flashlight will on. See, on, off. You can also control the flashlight. This also have the feature of night vision mode. Just you have to do is just place the phone when it's dark, and make sure that a little bit light is coming, so that you can have a clear view of it. Guys, the light is on, that's why it is not, I think you will be not able to see clearly, but it still is a very good thing about the night vision. It's a fully, we have transformed into a CCTV camera. It is now a CCTV camera. You can record and see the everything live. Just you need to remember that it should be connected from Wi-Fi, and it should be a good quality camera. It also have a power saving mode and many features. I'll show you. Just go to camera mode, and you can click on this sniper button. It says motion detection will start in dash seconds. It is that if you have placed your phone there, and if someone come and you see the activity, so it will notify you that someone has came. And this also have a power saving mode. You can click on the lock button and it will power save. So if you click on home, the camera still runs, and it says Alfred camera running. You can see my phone is power offed from the power button, and still the camera is on. So it's a very good feature. No one will have got to know that you have a spy cam at your home. That's a very cool feature. So guys, I should recommend you that you should download this app. The link will be provided in the description box. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.